Our fully automatic CNC busbar processing machine is a revolutionary all-in-one solution. In the field of electrical manufacturing, it integrates three core processes: precision cutting, multi-function punching, and complex bending into a single machine, specifically designed to tackle efficiently all your copper and aluminum busbar processing challenges. With simple programming, it automatically handles the entire production, from raw materials to finished products, significantly saving time and labor, while multiplying the efficiency compared to traditional multi-step processing. Its CNC control system ensures millimeter-level accuracy and exceptional product consistency, while also providing your production line with agile, flexible manufacturing capabilities to handle small batch, high-variety orders. Choosing it means upgrading your production line in an intelligent and cost-effective way, boosting both capacity and quality to secure a competitive edge in the market.